Bike check today. Sputnic Skyline V3 frame, Tony Nyer edition, 20.75. I like the frame a lot. It's nice. Good geometry, holds up, solid. All right. Animal sway bars, 7.9, rise by 27.5 wide. Usually run bigger bars, but I like these right now. ODI long neck grips, ODI bar ends, deche alpha stem, the original fit shiv forks, custom wheel, G Sport bird cage, Primo N4FL white Primo spokes, BMW valve cap, eclat slot machine peg 4-inch raw, subrosa bitchin cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, tree light sprocket 28 tooth 28.9 is my gearing, the deco seat with the animal post integrated C clamp, the KMC 710 hollow pin chain, solid, holds up well. G Sport birdcage brim to Primo Remix, which is the new hub. It's alright, but there's no hub guards right now that fit it yet, so I have a drive side flipped upside down, but it works fine. I guess it's lighter or something. I don't really care. The cranks are 2.2 piece, the hollow thing there, and an eclat, another eclat peg, and for my back valve cap, I have a valve stem remover, either for me or if someone pisses me off, you know. Alright, that's it. Bike check.